Now I have both videos loaded here, plus a black background. First, drag the first video onto the timeline. This is the clip where the girl is speaking as she starts the conversation. Once it's on the timeline, drag the second clip on top of it. This second clip is the one where the boy is speaking. Now click on the boy's clip and crop it until it's halfway across the screen as I'm showing you here. Make sure that none of the background or bed from the girl's side is visible. To be more precise, align the crop line where there are no objects or distractions, as I'm doing by positioning it exactly where the screen looks clean. This will ensure that the cut is smooth and seamless. Once cropped, drag the boy's clip to a corner of the screen and fit it perfectly so that the split between the two clips is unnoticeable. Next, we'll freeze the boy's clip using CapCut's freeze feature. To do this, go to the beginning of the boy's clip and split it. Delete the remaining portion of the clip after the split and then apply the freeze effect to the small section that remains. The reason we're freezing the boy's clip is to make him stay silent while the girl continues speaking. After freezing the clip, extend it so that it lasts as long as the girl's clip, just as I'm demonstrating here. Now, the first part is done. For the second part, it's the boy's turn to speak, so we need to drag the clip where he is talking and crop it again. This time, the crop allows the girl to appear on screen, but will freeze her clip just like we did for the boy earlier. To make it simple, when one character is speaking, freeze the other character's clip and crop the video in a way that hides any unnecessary parts of the other clip. The key is to ensure that the inactive character remains frozen while the active character is speaking. This creates a smooth back and forth conversation effect, making the video look clean and professional.